Hamza loved the school library more than any other place. It was a magical world filled with tall shelves, soft rugs, and thousands of stories waiting to be told. Every morning, he would hurry through the big wooden doors, his heart beating with excitement to see what adventures he would find that day. Hamza found his favorite spot, a big, squishy beanbag in the corner. He picked up a book about brave knights and soaring dragons. As he turned the pages, he felt like he was flying through the clouds. The library was his favorite place to dream and learn. But one Tuesday afternoon, the library didn't look like a dream at all. When Hamza walked in, he gasped. Books were scattered across the floor like fallen leaves. Chairs were turned sideways, and some books were even hiding under the tables. It was a very big mess. Hamza looked around for the librarian, but the desk was empty. He thought about leaving, but then he looked at a book lying face down on the cold floor. "This isn't right," he whispered. "Books belong on shelves where they can be found." He rolled up his sleeves and decided to help. Hamza started with the big picture books. He carried them carefully, making sure their corners didn't bend. He tucked them back into their slots, lining them up so they looked neat and tidy. He felt like a detective, finding the right home for every story. Next, he moved to the reading tables. He stacked the magazines in a straight line and pushed the heavy wooden chairs back into their places. The library was starting to look like its old self again. Hamza wiped a bit of dust off his hands and smiled at the clean room. Just then, Mrs. Noor, the librarian, walked into the room. She was carrying a heavy box of new books. She stopped suddenly and blinked. She looked at the floor, then the tables, and then the perfectly straight shelves. Her eyes went wide with surprise. Mrs. Noor set her box down and looked at Hamza. "Hamza, did you do all of this?" she asked. Hamza nodded shyly. "I wanted the books to be happy, Mrs. Noor," he said. Mrs. Noor beamed at him, her heart full of joy at his kindness. "You have done a wonderful thing," she said. Mrs. Noor reached into her desk and pulled out something shiny. It was a golden badge with a blue ribbon. "Hamza," she said, "I need someone who cares about books as much as you do. Would you like to be our official library monitor?" Hamza's eyes grew as big as saucers. Now Hamza has a very special job. He helps other children find the best stories, and he makes sure every book stays safe and tidy. Helping Mrs. Noor gave him a brand new opportunity to share his love for reading with everyone. Hamza was more than just a reader now. He was a helper.